How to connect network server to Kodi. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can connect our network server to Kodi. So for that, you can go ahead and open up the main menu and open up the Kodi settings. After you have gone to the settings, you will be finding this section right here. So you can go to add-ons or add sources. After that, you'll be finding this option where you need to add the file source. So you can go ahead and add up the network location and input the server's IP address, shared folder name, and any required login credentials depending upon the network protocol. You can enter up the name first, after that the pathway or the browse for the media locations. And after that is done, make sure the server is properly configured to share files over the network. And click on OK after that. And that is it. And ensure that your network server is visible on the network and sharing the desired media folder. Also check if your firewall is blocking any necessary network connections to the server, and verify that your user account has appropriate permissions to access the files on the server. So that is how you basically connect the network server to Kodi by following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.